So guys and girls, welcome back to another video. I'm Hamza with Updato.com. Now, I just got in the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and I'm super pumped to literally just unbox it and give you my first impression. So with that being said, let's do it. Alright, cool. So the box right here is really sleek. It's minimal design. There's nothing on the back, so we just gotta crack it open. So let's do it. Ooh, cool. Alright, so the phone is right here and it's presented quite nicely. And then if we just, okay, I'll let you guys listen to the sound. That's satisfying. So cool, so the first thing you see is the device itself, and first impressions is it looks really nice. Like the back, if you can pick that up right here, the back looks really sleek and I like the shininess of it. Like normally it's matte black or a matte finish on phones, but this kind of like a glossy type finish. So this is a dual lens phone, so it has two lenses right here, and we're going to be checking it out in the full review, and then we can get on to what else is inside the box. So here it is. So here's the plug and all of the, okay, it's booted up. Alright, so it's booted up, and just like that skin to me is not good. I don't like the look of it. Okay, cool. I don't like the look of the actual skin itself, so I'm going to be installing an external third-party launcher, because like something like Nova Launcher, because I'm not really a huge fan of skins on top of Android that look like this in particular. And you also get a pair of headphones. This is actually really cool. Let me try. These headphones, by the looks of it, have a USB-C connector. Oh wow, so this doesn't even have a 3.5mm jack. So these headphones right here connect directly into the USB-C port, I'm presuming, which is really awesome to see that they actually included a pair of earphones inside the box. Alright, so I'm literally just going to be testing the device itself, and front-facing camera right here is actually pretty sick. Yo, it picks up everything really clearly. Let me do a test. You know, to test the device, we got to do a test selfie, so let's do it. Alright, so what actually happened was my camera decided to die on me throughout recording, which I didn't notice, so I have to make do with the time that I have. But long story short, what happened was I played around with the phone a little bit more and I tested out the camera, and the camera is insane. So I'm going to be talking a little bit more about it in my full review, so stay tuned for that. But overall, it's a solid device. I like the look of it, and the camera especially is really good. But just stay tuned for some more in-depth footage later on the channel. So with that being said, that's about it. Peace.